What's up, everybody? We back with another video, but today's video we is talking about my sponsor, Illusion, for the capes, for barber capes, custom barber capes. So I just came here to really show y'all that my discount really worked. I've been getting a few dollars and getting paid from it from advertising it on TikTok and IG and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just show y'all like the platform of it itself, so y'all could learn and go through it yourself, man. Hit that like button if you're new, subscribe, share this video, and if you're a barber, let's get to it, man. Let me show y'all how I made my first and second barber cape from illuzien.com. And you see the Minnesota Timberwolves that you could pick any team. That's my favorite team in the world. Illuzien.com is where everything is at. You start there, you go there, you type that in the search bar, phone or computer. I'm on a computer now showing y'all. But we're finna go to custom capes. At the home page, you just go there, click it, and it's just bring you to this page right here. And this page is basically like a page that you just go to for custom. They got all type of designs that you can go to for like capes and stuff like that. But I'm just showing y'all what it's all about, how much it is, and just the colors and stuff like that. And this cape right here, this is my first ever cape I made from Illusion. It got the Funnyant Studios right here, as you can see. It's it was my first thing. I thought it was a big thing. I still love it. It's gonna always be with me forever. You feel me? Illusion mess with me for real, sponsor me for real. But we finna go here, regular black and white. I'm gonna do the exact one that I'm sponsoring now. The Funny cape that I am showing online and stuff like that to my fans so they can buy it and use my discount code for it. But this is the one I'm displaying, and this is the one I'm gonna just remake and then just show y'all how I made it. But really just showing y'all how to use a discount code as well, and showing y'all this amazing website. Like, this website is dope. It's easy to use. It show you all the steps. You feel me? They're gonna take you through everything. You're not gonna get lost or anything like that. So this is what it's gonna look like after when you click customize to start your build. And you could move the mouse around and stuff like that to kind of just drag it around, see what it look like front and back, under it, stuff like that. So on the left side here, as you can see on the sidebar, you got like paint, colors, what color you want to do it. But go to the T part is where the text is at. So you go to add text, and the title, I just put Funny, that's my brand name. And just press cape. And then I just went to the second font because my little font that I have in my brand is kind of like that little spiky font. So that was the closest thing to it. And I went to size 100, kind of give it that little big size a little bit. And white, so the white can pop on that black. And watch how this thing just kind of just pop out. That Funny just gonna pop and just sit how I always wanted it. Ooh, that thing looks so hard. So now this page, this part gonna come up, and this is basically just to you can resize it, make it bigger, make it smaller, push the font up, which I'm gonna do now. I want to push it up a little bit because I don't like it so center. I wanted to push it up some, so when you put the cape on somebody, it actually looks like it's sitting there. It looks good on video. It just looks good in general. Looks way more presentable. Looks real official. Hopefully someday, this is gonna be like the main cape. You could buy this cape on illuzien.com. The same exact one. You could buy the Funny cape, just gonna be through Illusion. You feel me? Someday. But listen, we finna make it smaller so it could really fit on the cape, make it look good. Cause once you order it online and it ships, you don't want it to make it too big, because then when it ship in, it's gonna come out really big. So kind of make it small, kind of picture it as it is in real life. But you can see here at the bottom, color white. You just press close, and this is basically it, man. This thing is crazy. You feel me? I'm simple, and this it in real life. That's my cape. You feel me? Let's get to it. I'm a simple guy. I just like, simple colors. My next one gonna be something crazy. I'm gonna show y'all that cape as well. But this is basically the cape though, just regular white. Word font, Illusion cape. Crazy, bro. No cap. I love this cape because I always wanted a black cape with like my name just popping. So you go down to the bottom, add cart, then you press finish, and you wait a little couple seconds, and then it's gonna bring up to the process part for you to pay for it and stuff like that. And on the right hand side over here, say $49. My little discount is gonna plug you a little bit. It ain't gonna plug you a lot, but it's gonna plug you. That's why I mess with Illusion. Thank you, Illusion, for putting me on the team. But listen, so you're gonna click that, and then you're gonna get to this part, and this part on the right hand side, before or after you put in your card information, you want to go to the discount code or gift card area, and that's where you're gonna put the discount code in, ANT HH10, and that's gonna be the code for you to get your $5 discount from the $49.99 transaction, and it'll end up at $44.99. You can't beat that. $5 off, you feel me, from using my discount. You can't, man, some days you might be in barber school or at the shop and you only got $55 and you need a cape, you feel me, and that little $5 might help you get something to eat on your break. You never know. But total savings $5. You see the discount code ANT HH10, ANTHH10. On the left hand side, you gotta put your card information in, player, or it's not gonna work. You're not gonna go nowhere without this discount, or your cape not gonna get sent. Make sure you put your card information in, press pay now, and then you just basically gonna be in the game, man. You save a few dollars with your boy Funnyant. I appreciate Illusion. Illusion is raw. I figured out Illusion by just looking on the internet and got into it, man. One of my business partners, now he helped me get in tune, email Illusion, the support team, and just the people in general. They gave me a discount code to kind of advertise and make some commission off of. So, I'm just trying to just push the word out and make sure that y'all enjoy the customized, or just that in general, just regular Illusion capes and product in general. Everything, they have everything for barbers. So stay tuned, hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe. We out. Illusion, we good.